Okay guys, I have this right here. This is not printed at full size. This is at 40%, I think, of this original height. It's actually, as far as I know, a scan of the original. And if you wonder, I give these away to my neighbors. And yes, was even more than this printed. This is just a handful of what truly I had made and given them away to old people and kids. And if you wonder, these guys are basically hollow, but they're strong enough to easily handle up to 30 pounds easily being stepped on, so I doubt anyone's gonna try to break them. And yes, this is PLA I have. I don't remember what kind it is of the color I used on these guys, but you can follow the link below for it. Like and subscribe and comment for more. I will read the comments, and if I interact, it means I'm going to. But yeah, these guys are the cute little figurines. They look like real cats, and yeah, if you are, yeah. And I love cats, but I also have some dogs. My mom is here. She just came over.